So today we will look after the next part, that is soil erosion. Okay, so children, what is weathering of rocks? How do the rocks form? From the rocks, how do the soil form? Yesterday I have told you to underline weathering of rocks. Yes, it is nothing but, what is weathering of rocks? It is, yes, 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 correct. So, breaking down of rocks is known as weathering of rocks. Okay, it is known as weathering. Okay, you will have to understand each and every definitions and each and every sentences which we have marked yesterday. Okay, and for the formation of the soil, just only 2.5 centimeters of soil, so much of thickness to form. How many years do we require? Nearly 500 to 1000 years. Yes, okay. Yes, so you will have to understand how valuable and how precious is soil. Okay, it is giving shelter to many living organisms, okay, like earthworms, yes, and even for the growth of the plants. Yes, so today we will be looking after soil erosion. What is soil erosion?
And when topsoil is blown away by wind or water.
Yes, correct. Yes, correct. So today we will look after soil erosion. Yes, soil erosion is nothing but, yes, soil erosion is nothing but the wearing away of the soil, in which the topsoil is washed away either by air, wind, or by deforestation. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take care of the soil, okay, so that it will last for a longer time. Since only for 2.5 centimeters thickness to form, okay, the soil is taking so many, the rocks are taking so many years to convert into soil. Okay, so here the top soil, what all is the function for the top soil? How important is topsoil? It is giving shelter to many living organisms and also for the growth of plants. Yesterday we have seen, children, topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Yes, so topsoil, it is nothing but the inside, whatever is in the subsoil and the bedrock, that is not getting washed away, but the very important is topsoil. Yes, in topsoil, many living organisms, also for the growth of the plants, is taking place in the first layer of the soil. Okay, which is known as topsoil. And topsoil contains, what it contains?
But contains lots of humus.
Yes, very good. It is containing lots of humus. Okay, and humus increases the soil fertility. Yes or no? How important is humus? We know that humus, it will add the fertility to the soil. Okay, it will give nutrient to the roots which is growing into a plant. Okay, so however the soil is exposed to the environment. We can't hide soil since it is exposed openly in the environment, and it has to undergo what all obstacles it has to face. It will face it by either wind, okay, water, and also by deforestation. That comes in causes of soil erosion. Okay, so soil erosion is nothing but what? It is wearing away of topsoil. Okay, and how important is topsoil we have seen now? Wearing away. Wearing away means what? It is getting washed away. Okay, wearing away of topsoil is called soil erosion. Yes. This you have been studying from third standard. Yes. So what is soil erosion? It is nothing but wearing away of the top soil. You have to mention the top soil. It is very important term since The upper layer, that is the first layer of the soil, is topsoil, and topsoil is very important as it contains the humus and also it is supplying what? Nutrients. Yes, it is having the very nutrient value and also it is having lots of humus. Okay, and humus, it adds fertility to the soil. So this is the definition of soil erosion. Wearing away of topsoil is called soil erosion. Please underline, children, page number 53. This one, soil erosion definition. The wearing away of topsoil is called soil erosion. Yes. Now, if you go to a particular place, okay, and if you observe how the land is, okay, and after some years if you go and see that due to soil erosion the shape of the land is being changed, okay, so it is nothing but what, the topsoil itself is getting affected by many various factors. Then what will happen to the shape of the land? Obviously it will change. Yes, so the shape of the land will get changed due to soil erosion. Soil erosion is what? Wearing away of the topsoil, washing away of the topsoil is known as soil erosion. If it continues for years and years, the same thing, then what will happen? The shape of the land will be changed. Is it clear? And who is doing, yes, who is responsible for the soil erosion? It is all the natural forces such as, what are the natural forces? Yes, natural forces like air, or you can say as wind, yes, okay, and water. Okay, so these natural forces are making the risk of soil erosion. Is it clear to everyone? Yes. So next one, we will look after what are the causes of soil erosion. So as now we have seen air, water, wind, and one more factor is deforestation. What is deforestation, children? Yes, cutting of trees. Okay? Yes. Causes of soil erosion. Yes. So, please underline, children. The three major factors that cause soil erosion are running water. The first one is running water. Okay? You all are underlining, I guess. Okay? Next, wind. The second one is wind. The three major factors that cause soil erosion. Page number 454. Okay, it is running water, wind, and deforestation. Third one is deforestation. Yes. So, children, the first one which says that soil erosion due to running water. Now, when the rainwater is falling continuously on the soil, okay, the tiny droplets on the soil, it is getting heated directly on the soil. Yes or no? So, what is happening? The size of the particles which are having small spaces, it is having the space to have air and water circulation. Yes, but here due to continuous water that is falling from the sky, okay, that is the rainfall, what is happening? It is making this greater space between the particles in the soil. Okay, what is happening? It is loosening the soil particles. You have to use the word loosening the soil particles, due to which what is happening? The soil is not having the capacity to uphold the water for a longer time. This will cause soil erosion. Yes, running water, that is due to continuous rainfall, the water is getting heated continuously on the particles of the soil, which is making the soil to get more loosened. Okay, the word is loosen. Please underline, when raindrops hit the ground, they loosen the particles in the top soil. Did you get?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Question.
Here, the first point, it is very important. When raindrops hit the ground, they loosen the particles in the top soil. Okay?
Ma'am, should underline.
Yes, please underline it. This is the main reason for the soil erosion in case of running water.
Ma'am, should underline till topsoil.
Yes, topsoil. Okay. So due to this, what is happening? The continuous washing of the topsoil happens, and this causes the soil erosion. Okay. So we know that how soil has been manufactured from the rocks. Okay, and it is taking so many years to just make a 2.5 centimeters thickness. Then just imagine whatever soil we are having around, it might be preparing from so many years. Yes, so taking care of soil is very important. We have to take care of our natural resources. Next, in hilly areas, water flows with a greater force due to slopes. What are hilly areas? Hilly areas. What is the meaning? Yes? Yes. Hilly areas are the one which are having, yes, hilly areas, the mountainous ranges. Okay, there we find a slopes. Yes or no? So due to these slopes, what is happening? If the rain falls continuously, there is continuous what washing away of the soil. Yes, the soil is getting continuously washed away in the hilly areas, which is again responsible for the soil erosion. It is very easy in hilly areas to flow off the soil. Okay, here the soil will get very easily washed away. Children, why you all are joining so late? How important is our topsoil? Okay. Next, in hilly areas, due to the greater force, okay, from the slopes, what happens? The soil is getting washed away. Okay. Yes. And when a river overflows, yes. Have you heard when the river overflows, what happens? Yes, what happens is the river, it will take away, yes, it will not only flow in its own path, rather than that, yes, rather than that, what will happen? It will take away side by all the things. Okay, it will sometimes come into our villages also. Yes, so whatever soil is there, it will take away everything. This is in case of river which is getting overflowed. Okay, yes. Okay. So, in case of river, the adjoining areas. What is the meaning of adjoining areas? Yes, 1 minute. Adjoining areas. Here, in case of river, okay, when a river is flowing side by whatever the things are there, whatever is surrounding, it will take away everything along with the running water, and this will make again soil erosion. Okay, whatever the plants are there, whatever the soil is there, the top soil completely it is being washed away. Okay,
Fertile topsoil.
fertile.
Topsoil.
Yes, fertile. I just told you fertile means what? Where if the soil is not fertile, what will happen, children? The plants won't grow. Yes, fertile soil or fertile topsoil. Okay, fertile means what? Now, if the soil is fertile, we say fertile meaning it should have the capacity of giving nutrients. It should have the capacity of having humus. Okay, it should be having more strength to give to the plants. Okay, and it should, if it is not having any strength, then it will be called as infertile. Okay, the capacity to provide the strength to the soil is called as fertile soil. Is it clear? Here? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubts? When a river overflows, it floods the adjoining areas and it washes away the fertile top soil. Okay, so what happens? The fertile soil is the one which is having the strength to, it has a capacity of giving the strength to the soil, and soil, it will have the humus and all the necessary nutrients. Okay, since it is made up of, yes,
What is the meaning of river bed?
river bed. Yes, river, the water, the river, what it is being formed with? Yes, whatever the river is there, its path, that will be called as the river bed. Its complete path is known as river bed. Yes, us. Okay, so here the next one, it is in case of soil erosion due to wind. Yes, now what happens in case of wind? When the wind flows, okay, the soil particles, yes, here in case of soil, the top soil, due to heavy wind, okay, the upper part, the top soil is getting washed away. Okay, whatever the necessary, whatever the nutrient is there, it is getting washed away. Okay, this is in case of wind. Please underline, children. Wind blows away finer soil particles, including organic matter. Please underline. Page number 54, soil erosion due to wind. Yes, Katti, please mute. Yes, so here, yeah, we can see here the third line, wind blows away finer particles, including organic matter. It is very important. Soil erosion due to wind. What is happening exactly? Wind is also exposed to the roots of the plants. Yes, you might have seen that due to wind, what will happen? Maximum all the maximum all the lighter particles from the soil, okay, they are getting washed away, and sometimes it will also enter into our eyes. Okay, so that is the top soil which is getting washed away, wearing away of the soil by wind. Okay, so this is the second main reason for soil erosion. What is the second cause? It is due to wind. Okay, yes, and here due to constant action of the wind changes the shapes of the rocks and sand dunes. Yes, what is sand dunes? Any idea what is sand dunes? Yes, here in case of the beaches and all, you might have seen that the sand is getting accumulated towards the one side only. Okay, whatever side the obstacles are there, sand is coming towards the obstacle and it is standing over there itself. Now think this is our obstacle, sand is forming the shape of accumulation. Okay, it is forming some shape that is known as sand dunes. Okay, near the beaches and all, you can see that it is continuous action of the wind, continuous action of the water also. What is happening? The sand is getting accumulated at complete one obstacle. Now here you can say that this is our obstacle. Any one thing that is making the sand not to move ahead from it is called as obstacle. Here what will happen, children? Sand is going and collecting towards the support. Here this is our support, you can see. Okay, so here it is making the sand dunes. Is it clear?
Description means,
Yes?
ma'am, description means?
Description.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, description now. Where it is? You are asking
Ma'am,
this.
in the out section.
Description. Description means what? whatever you want to ask in detail, that is description. Okay, so here constant action of the wind will change the shape of the rocks and also it will form sand dunes. This is in case of wind, which is the second main reason for soil erosion.
Grand.
Yes,
What is the meaning of grand?
meaning of
Grand.
speak one by one, no, not understanding. Go to that. Okay, here sand dunes is nothing but what children, when you play in the sand in the beaches, you can see that you will put your leg inside the sand. Okay, and you will try to make the mounding. Okay, so that is known as mounding of sands. It happens due to wind. The sand is getting accumulated completely at one side only. That is known as sand dunes. Okay, here in the info bit, page number 54, after knowing this, then you can go for the info bit part. See here, page number 54, the top one you have info bit. It is the information that you should know. Okay, so here due to the river water which is continuously flowing, what it will do, it will pick up all the mud, pebbles, stones, whatever is there, it is taking away and the river is continuously flowing. Okay, page 54, page number. Yes. So what is happening, children, in the Grand Canyon, which is there in USA, and in USA there is one place known as Arizona. Okay. In USA we have one place which is known as Arizona. You can search about this, children, to have some information. Arizona, which is having a national park which is Grand Canyon. Okay. Yes, Grand Canyon is what? It is the place where there is continuous flowing of the water, and here the surprising thing is due to the river water which is flowing, it is carrying away all the mud particles and all the stones which is there side by. Okay, can you see here this part? Yes, there is a downstream. Downstream means what, children? The water is flowing in the direction of river. Okay, how is the water flowing? In the direction of the river, and along with that, the side particles, the rock particles, what you can see, small pebbles, mud, okay, and all the larger rocks, they are changing its shape. Is it clear? Yes, and this is due to what? Running water. So, due to running water, what is happening, children? It is changing the shape of the rocks. Okay, it is in case of Grand Canyon, which is located in USA. Kiroshi, please mute. Yes, next one we will go for soil erosion due to deforestation. Deforestation means what, children? DE means what? Yes, deforestation. Here the word, yes. See here, children, whenever the word deforestation, D means what? Removing of forest. Okay, in the forest we have plants, trees. Okay, so it is nothing but cutting of trees is known as deforestation. Okay, so here we find that due to human activities, we all are having our own way of living. Yes, and now we see that we are using furnitures in a home. Yes, when we need furnitures, obviously we will have to go to the forest and they are cutting off the trees, right? And they're making very varieties of the designs and all. It is all due to the human activities. Okay, even though there is the cutting of the trees, also we will have to do afforestation. Afforestation means what, children? It is you will have to plant more trees. Yes. Yeah. Afforestation means what? Planting of trees. deforestation, DE means what? Removing of trees. Cutting of trees is known as deforestation. This is the cause for soil erosion. Cause means what? The reason for soil erosion. Okay, what are the causes they ask? Causes means what are the reasons for soil erosion. So the first one is deforestation. So we should, whenever we are cutting down of trees, also there should be planting of trees also. Okay, this is our natural resource. We will have to take care of a natural resource. So also we will have to go for planting of trees also. Okay, so please underline, children. Yes, the wood from trees is used to make many things such as paper, even the paper which we are using. Okay, so we will say that do not waste more papers. Okay, whenever there is anything that you have written down, if you have again gap, continue writing from there. Do not waste. Okay, don't waste more papers. Yes, because each and every paper is being made from plants, from the trees. Okay, so we have to take care of the papers also. Do not waste more papers. Okay, next, it is used to make cardboards. Even for cardboard, we use trees. Okay, and the furnitures. In our home, we are using furnitures. Yes, so everything it has been made for the decorative items, or all are made due to deforestation only. Okay, next, and even for the human activities such as building of houses, that is housing. Yes, we are going and capturing the place which are meant only for the animals. Okay, now we are not having place. So what we are doing, we are cutting off the forest, we are cutting down the trees, and we are going and taking the shelter where the animals stay. Okay, so what we are doing, we are doing deforestation and also for the housing. Okay, for the setting up of industries, for industries and for housing, we are cutting down the forest. Okay, and what happens there when you cut the forest, when you cut the trees, there again the soil erosion takes place. On this, I am going to tell you one activity. You will be doing it at home. Okay, if you understand this, then the activity what you are doing for soil erosion, it will be more clear. I asked you, deforestation is the main cause for soil erosion. What is deforestation? It is cutting down of trees. Okay, if more plants are planted, okay, there won't be soil erosion as we have seen. Deforestation causes for soil erosion. So what is the replacement for this? We will have to do afforestation. Afforestation means what, children? We will have to plant more trees. Yes, if there are no trees, then what will happen? The soil, okay, the soil is getting completely washed away. Yes, the soil is getting completely washed away, so we will have to plant more trees. Plantation of more trees, what happens? The roots will hold the soil, the top soil very tightly. Okay, it will become a friend of the soil, friend of the top soil. Then the roots will hold the soil and it will say that I am there with you, I will not let you to get washed away. There should be someone to hold the soil. Yes or no? So we have to plant trees. Is it clear? Now the activity, page number 55. Page number 55. In case of, if you're taking a tray, okay, the small, with the help of small spade, what you can do, you can collect the mud, you can collect the soil which is having small plants on it. Okay, the green color part on it. Next, you can take one more tray wherein you will take only the soil part. There is no any green cover on it. There is no any greenery over it. Okay, what will happen when you pour water on the soil which is having the green cover? What will happen to the soil which is having no green cover? Okay, this is the activity based on soil erosion. You all will have to perform it in your home. Okay, so it is, the soil erosion takes place in which case? The one which is having the green cover or the one which is having maximum green cover. Okay. Yes, we will see it in the next.